Today, we've got a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to send videos from iPhone to Android. It's a common challenge, but don't worry, we've got some straightforward solutions for you. Our first method for seamlessly sharing videos from iPhone to Android utilizes the widely trusted Google Drive. This fantastic cloud service simplifies the process, ensuring a smooth experience for both iOS and Android users. Moving on to method number 2, Dropbox. This popular cloud service is both simple and reliable for transferring your videos from iPhone to Android. Our third method, Mobikin Transfer for mobile. This third-party app is a powerhouse for swift and secure video transfers between iPhones and Android. Install and open Mobikin Transfer for mobile on your computer. Connect both your iPhone and Android devices. Select the video, then click Start Copy to begin the transfer. Easy video transfer. Subscribe for more. Happy sharing!